Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and we've got a B&M haul here today, and we start this video off with a pack of staples. Yes, as you can see here, I got these lovely staples from B&M. I've been on the hunt for a bigger pack because I normally get them through Temu, but I've been trying to get like a bigger pack because one, Temu have got that lock on, and I refuse to pay Temu when they put a £15 minimum lock on. I'm not giving them more money. And two, it's better to get a bigger pack because then you don't have to keep like replenishing them. But 4,000 pack, apparently it is a 26/6. So the reason I say that is because I'm not entirely sure if these will fit my stapler, because my stapler is a 24mm, I think. Now looking at that, I reckon, yeah, we've got a very slight chance. They were only 150, so if they don't, I'll try and sell them or something, but I reckon we've got enough. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. You get yourself a fancy little storage thing. So, hopefully, please work, because these will last me a long time, because with them, what I do is, if I've got one here, with these bags, these ones that Paula sent are quite nice ones, but you know them soppy little thin ones like this, these ones are crap because they always, like the seal always keeps breaking, so I always staple them. So hopefully this will work. And oh, is it gonna fit? Oh, just about, yeah. Oh, look at that. But we'll just do I always do a blank one first just to see if it works, and we'll just do this bag here. And 3, 2, 1, and suction. Yeah, look at that. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I don't like the seals, so I always staple them. So that from B&M's is fantastic. I mean, the fact that you get, like, because normally I have to like store them all like on a like the shelf, or put them in the pencil case, but to have like a little storage little thing like that, I can just like zip one out when I need it. So I'm going to pick up another pack of them. I really like that. Well worth the money. 4,000 for 150. I'm actually there again on Monday, so yeah, look at that, 4,000. I did like the ones from Temu because they came like multicolored, but staple's a staple, isn't it? It doesn't matter as long as it does the job. But as you can see, perfect. And what's lovely about this stapler, you can see there, that little hole is so that you can see, hello, it's me in the reflection, look. This little hole is so that you can see how many staples is in, rather than have to keep going like that all the time. So that's that. Now, you are not going to believe what I found in there. I cannot tell you how long I've been searching for this new series brought to you by Craft Buddy, and I finally have one. It's from series 4. There's loads of different series. Apparently they had in this box Spider-Man, that it was really mixed, so they had Marvel, they had Harry Potter. Unfortunately, despite looking through them all, they did not have any other ones apart from Harry Potter, which I've already got. They had this, some fairies, dragons, and this was only $3.99. It is the Crystal Art Buddies Simba, yeah, Simba, I don't know what it is the Crystal Art Buddies Simba Wildlife Buddies. Now, I'm desperately trying to find the dolphin, but now that I know that they stock them in B&M's, I'm probably going to go in there. The only thing is last week they didn't have it, so you've really got to look to see if you can find it. And look at that, look at the size of that, and it's on a wooden plaque, which is nice. So let's get this out. These are your Shemetic, so you might want to just cut that out like a little piece of card, cut that out. And as you can see, you've got A, B, C, D, E, F there. So yeah, really, really good. And then obviously free project template, apparently, if you want a template. But yeah, so that's that one. And as you can see, I really like this thing. That wood is wonderful, yeah. Because I wasn't sure, when I saw them online, it just looked like this was plastic, but it's actually wood. And what a fantastic find, because Lion King, I love the Lion King, little Simba there. So this is going to turn out really nice. Reminds me when I used to do the Craft Buddy Lion King cut quite some time ago. The stick is fantastic. And then on here, oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. The writing's on the back, so you've got the Crystal Art, Disney, and then obviously Craft Buddy. And then what will happen is, I love the fact that this is not black. it's nice and pale, which is nice. Now what you could do is paint that green, you know, paint it green and as if he's like sitting on a piece of grass or something, but basically that would go into this slot like this. So if anyone gets these craft buddies, could you let me know how many there is to collect in series 4, because there's bound to be loads of them, but yeah, what a fantastic one to get. But yeah, you'll have to let me know, is it just like one animal per theme, or is it like, for example, is it just Simba and then that's it, or is it like different Disney characters, or perhaps you get Simba and Mufasa, Rafiki, Nala. You know, I'm new to this wildlife buddy thing, so yeah. Okay, and then we've got a little pack here. So I love these little projects, you can get them done so quick. And yeah, look at this, wow. Okay, so we've got ourselves a little beigey colour, an orange, honeycomb colour, a brown, an orange and a black. So very, very happy with that. And of course, Craft Buddy are wonderful as always, because they do give you a lovely personalised pen and a lovely selection of bags with your gorgeous wide tray. So that's our first one. Now, I couldn't pick up one without picking up another, because with me, if I go shopping, I'm like, I need to get it there and then, because I know from experience how quick these fly off the shelf. So I found this one and I was so happy because it's Marvel. Absolutely love Marvel, and it's going to go very well with my Iron Man one that I did a while back. So this is from series 1. So you see there's all different series, but this is Spider-Man, and look at that. The colours are fantastic. Don't worry, that's from a different painting that I kitted up. That's fell in here, but the colours on this is just exceptional, isn't it? And the black really goes well with the red and blue. So let's get this open, and again, you've got your little schematic there if you want to work. So you've got colours like 310, 666 is your brightest red, so that's very nice to get. 796 with a blue, and then D, that's interesting because D is normally a 3865, but in this case it's a 5200. So that's that one. Really, really exciting stuff. Okay, so I think I saw the Hulk as well there, so I'm going to pick up a few more when I pop over there on Monday. And yeah, wow. Okay, look at this. Oh wow, yeah, this is gonna look lovely. Yeah, sticks perfect. And look at this. Wrong way. You always put the right into the back, but look at that. That goes into there. Cushy. I think Paula's done this one because I've seen it. She did a video not long ago of her showing us all the different ones she has, and she's got loads upon that. She's got all the XL series. I haven't seen any XL series in there, but she's got loads and loads and loads of them. So yeah, I know you've even got like the little spider as detailed on the chest, and then on the back there, look at that beautiful gold, right? And a lot of care goes into this. I always love seeing the grain of the wood, so you see how it's like all sort of sandy charcoal effect. I love that. But yeah, look at that, 2 wonderful little ornaments. And do you know, I thought this would take me ages to locate them. They are selling these ones like the dolphin, the ostrich. They're on Amazon, but they're bloody expensive, $6.99. And obviously if you don't have Prime, you're gonna have to pay more postage, but you might as well just go in B&M's. I paid $3.99 for that, so it's a lot cheaper. Sometimes it works better, like sometimes you don't really want to go out, and I mean, you don't want to pay the postage, so it's easier to go out, but then you don't want to pay train fare. But then on the plus side, you're not paying postage. So yeah, but yeah, that's going to be my new thing to look at in B&M. But that store is massive, so from the entrance I have to go right the way to the back of the shop, and it's probably like the size of a football pitch. It's quite a trek. And then we've got a black, a red, a purple and a white. What a lovely, lovely colour this is. Oh wow, yeah. And then, oh, this is quite sparse, look at that. Got quite a few in there, and then these ones, perhaps it's the same, but looks like there's very little in there. So wow, okay. Right, okie dokie, so that's our B&M haul. So we've got these 2 here, and we've also got these 2 little plinths. So as you can see, you've got Simba and here, and as I said, just to point up again, they do come in different series, so they're not part of all the same collection. So you see Marvel must be series 1, and then obviously your buddies are obviously series 4. I don't think this is part of the wildlife one, because there's a new one where you've got like dolphins, snakes, ostriches. I think that's the wildlife buddies, so it's probably series, well, it might be series 4, but I don't know. I'm not very savvy with all that. Oh, look, here we go. So obviously this one we've seen loads of times, because I've already got Iron Man. And this is what's in series 4. Okay, so this is quite a short one then. So these are from that, oh, what's that film called? I know what it is, but I can't remember. Maui, I think that might be. And then we got Lion King. Jafar is Aladdin. Snow White, because that's the Wicked Witch. We got the Genie in the Lamp, that's Aladdin. Then we got, I can't remember his name, but he's from Aladdin. Aladdin, of course. Oh my god, did I really just say that? And then we got Mufasa. Ah, that's nice. So you do get Mufasa, but not Rafiki. I would have liked some of the other characters like Rafiki, Zazu, you know. It's very short on, you know, once, but that's quite nice because you've got the son and then the dad, so father and son sort of thing. So yeah, I'm over the moon with these beautiful products. But as I say, you can get these nice and cheap in B&M's at £3.99, or obviously if you want to pay more and pay excessive, then obviously go on Amazon. But I would not recommend Amazon's pricing, it's greedy enough. So yeah, I mean, some of the stuff on there, you think there's got to be postage hidden in with the cost, because it's just so overpriced. I just feel like Amazon's pricing is just like so overpriced. But yeah, I'm going to get doing these now because I really like them. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for another B&M haul. Bye-bye.